Hey guys, it's Dojo Mojo back again with another video, and today I'll just be going through what's on my phone. And in this video, just to clear any confusion, I'm just going through all of the apps that I use a lot or sometimes. So pretty much I'm ignoring the pre-installed apps or just apps that I've downloaded myself that I don't even use that much anymore. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the first app we'll be going through is Google. Google, of course, you know about that. Everyone uses Google, and there's nothing much to go through about it. Next is Google Maps, which I use to locate places of interest. So maybe I'm trying to look for the Google headquarters, which I actually have done. I will use Google Maps to locate it and look at the times of which it might take you to get there through bike or car or public transport. I don't know. Although I can't actually get there, I just just use it for things like that. I also contribute there, so I have some photos I put there to help other people get a perspective of what the places that they might be going to are like. So let me move this little webcam to the top right corner for a little bit. Press on this menu button. This is taking a while. Alright, sorry there, I had to edit some parts of the video out because Google Maps was acting up. But basically, all I'm gonna say for that, since I can't actually show y'all a visual of what I've contributed to the platform, I do contribute there. I just contribute photos of some of the places that I've gone to, and that's pretty much it. I don't really use it for much more. I use Google Drive, but mostly just to access shared files from my friends or other people that I may be working with on the group project. Nothing too big about that. I use Google Maps. I use Google Photos to upload a lot of the photos, GIFs, videos, and other medium that the platform accepts to the cloud. So when I have a photo saved to my phone or my camera roll, it's also backed up there as well. Very useful, very convenient, and some of the editing tools there that you may be using for your photos, definitely try to use them because they're very good for making them clean, very high quality as well. Google does a great job with their algorithms that keep your images very good. Alright, so make sure you get to using those features if you ever have those. What else do I use? I use Google Calendars, mostly just to create schedules for myself and remind myself of activities I need to do during the day. I also remind myself to do things that are very important for school and stuff like that. So maybe I need to turn in a project. I will have a reminder for that. I'm not gonna forget like a dummy, which I still do. But at least I have a reminder to remind me that I need to turn that in. What else do I use? I use Gmail to check emails, obviously, and it's preferable over the pre-installed emailing service app from LG. That's because I like the UI. The design is very clean, minimalistic. It's not an eyesore, and everything is sort of neatly placed, so it's easy navigation when using it. There's that. I do use Chrome. Chrome is very useful. It's very convenient. The UI again is clean, and you'll notice that a lot from Google applications. Everything's minimalistic, but it's not over minimalistic to the point where things look a little empty or misplaced. It's sort of just a great balance of both, and that's what I really like from Google. Anyways, back to Chrome. Chrome is it's my go-to when doing research and a lot of things like that. And just like Google, you already know what's up there. Just using it, going through the internet, typical everyday user like that. Next thing I'm gonna go through are a lot of the apps on the top. Just going through this top row up here. So calendar from LG, I don't really use. Let me go to apps that I do use though. Okay. So over here, these are just essentials, or what LG calls essentials. And the apps I do use from this place are Clock, and calendar, pretty much those two things. So I use clock just to, you know, sort of let myself know when to like stop using my phone or playing a game, or just to remind me of something I need to do at a specific time. So it's very useful for that. I also use it during exercises so that I know where to stop. What are you doing? Siblings, bro, am I right? All right, anyways, I use a stopwatch to let myself know to stop holding a position in exercise, you know, that sort of thing. Timer, of course, I'm using it right now to tell myself when to stop doing something. So yeah, I do use that. I don't use some of the alarms that come with it. I'm not a big fan of them, and I'm actually not allowed to bring my phone upstairs to even use as an alarm, so you know, kind of just disregard that menu. Anyways, here's calendar, which I do use on occasion for my math homework, but because my math homework is centered around a lot of mathematical concepts that this calculator isn't optimized for, I kind of just disregard it, but I still use it for basic things like multiplying, adding, 1 + 1 is 2, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, of course, very basic things I'm getting from these essentials over here. I don't use the rest because there's no incentive to. I don't use the radio. I don't listen to the radio. I think it's cluttered with a bunch of junk I don't care about and stuff. The other things there, again, there's no incentive to, so I just avoid them. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will have a second video on this, alright? So this is not the last video in the series. So it's the first video of maybe 1 or 2 more to come after it. I'm just going through my phone and all the apps there and stuff like that. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to firstly comment, tell me what you think about it. Let me know what kind of apps are on your phone, what you use them for, or what kind of phone you have. I'd like to know that. Also, definitely like, subscribe, and share this video. The reason those things are essential is because I have 58 subscribers. I'd really love for y'all to actually support me by giving me more subs, because my goal this year is to get 100 subs, and I can't do that without your support. So make sure to do that, and you know, stick along this wild ride while I discover myself on this YouTube channel, while also providing y'all useful tech content and tech news and things like that. So yeah, it's the end of the video, and see y'all later. Bye.